Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women top designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas. Color combination also, same color also. Most wearing and most demanding collection for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman top designs and other material like crochet woman bodycon dresses, long dresses, short dresses, crochet woman skirt designs, crochet woman full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses also, crochet woman poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, sweater designs, and crochet woman scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, shoes designs, cap designs, and in jewelry crochet woman necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye. Hello friends.